Hello guys, welcome to tonight's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, we'll start with tonight's show. Before I begin, as I record the show like this, Brentford, they beat Liverpool 2-0. And they watch them like this at the G Tech Community Stadium. Remember what I told you about this ground? But we could do the monitor. I just hope it end like this. Now, coming on to our show. So, we're going to hear from Crystal Palace goalkeeper Dean Henderson. We're going to talk, say, them will come the Emirates Stadium to try and cause an upset. But I talk plenty. The Mirror carried the story. Not just the Mirror. Many people carry this particular story. Dean Henderson fires pressure warning at Arsenal stars ahead of Iberichi's reunion. Now, when you read the entirety of the report, the Henderson claimed Crystal Palace's trip to Arsenal on Sunday is a free hit because all the pressure will be on Arsenal. But the England goalkeeper insists the FA Cup and Community Shield holders can rack up another famous win against a top team. In the bowl, still get the learn say they go beat us, they go cause upset. Now, you know say this one safe na London derby. So and true, na free hits because nobody expects Crystal Palace to beat us. That's just the truth. Nobody expects them to beat us. The way the match they would go be, yes. The onus is going to be on Arsenal. Everybody expects Arsenal to beat Crystal Palace. That's just the honest truth, you get. Now, he say you just use it as a cup game, a one-off game, and the pressure is on them. So we'll go there and do the best we can. Are we better suited playing a game like Arsenal, who we can hit on the breakaway? I hope so. Which is what me I done the talks in. I waited their manager said go on do to set up a low block, hit us on the counter attack. That will be the best thing they will want to come and do. And Henderson said, "Don't they give us like small glimpse of what will be their plan? If we went there and won, it will change everything. We'll look forward to it, give our best shots. We've delivered against teams like that, so why not do it again? Based on say them do one last season, him can't believe say they fit do them again. But we'll just watch and continue to monitor proceedings. Now, for some of the games will happen tonight, and this not today tonight, like today, Sunderland beat Chelsea. Like who would have seen that coming? Sunderland. I watched the game. You start telling on the morning say I get many games I want to monitor today. So I watched the game. Sunderland played defensive throughout. In fact, Chelsea had more of the ball. Get Sunderland at some point, say the balloon the ball, the sample the ball they give Chelsea. By the end of the day, 9 minutes, counter attack, back. Chelsea just lose guard. Sunderland beats them 2-1. Get now as I record this video, first half don't end for Brentford Liverpool. Brentford they win 2-1. Now Liverpool just score one. Now, when you look at the table after Sunderland win, Baba, Sunderland is second for team. Sunderland. This is money, they're very important. When Sunderland come from championship, they use money bust everywhere. Buy Granny Xhaka, buy many players. They spent a lot of money. See, say the way they did now, they no fit go relegation lie, they no fit go relegation. EPL sure for them. So I believe they will be a mainstay in the EPL. Now, apart from this, Sunderland, another team we play today, Man U beat Brentford 4-2. I say Brentford, Brighton. They beat Brighton 4-2. No, two of them get one record. Right on, I talk say in the last 7 games, two of them play. Brighton win 6, which is not really good for a team that's as big as Manchester United. And I told you, based on say I don't buy new players, maybe something has to give. And today, something gave, and they won. So, nobody's happy to say Man U win over at least. So my friends will be my, I just they happy for them as they are my rest. They know everybody will get heartbreak now. But Man U now, when you look the table, I was surprised. I see Man U for 4th for the table. If Liverpool lose tonight, that means Man U will be 4th. Liverpool will be 5th like this. Check on the sea. Look how many points Liverpool on day behind us. You know too at Liverpool, Man U, not too far. See, Man U like 15, 17, see where they now. Why? Because they won back to back 3 times in a row. They never do them before. You get maybe now that's the way their fan talk. Say if I do 5 games back to back in a row, I go cut my hair. That guy will get forest for him. So they hope say maybe now what they ginger them. You get so we'll see. Everything will unfold at the end of the day. Now, away from that, talking about getting 5 games in a row, see their next 2 games. Nottingham Forest, Tottenham Hotspur, some people see whether Manchester United will win 5 games in a row. Now, so one year say Alex Iwobi don't become the 5th African player to play 300 Premier League matches. Get not being small, 300 Premier League matches. Get in fact, Iwobi becomes the first Nigerian to achieve this feat. No be small thing, easy. 300 games, no be beans. So congratulations to Alex Iwobi, at least do some for Arsenal shirts. Now today it was announced that Gary Neville has been inducted to the Premier League Hall of Fame. So it's a Premier League legend. Yes. This guy, not be saying doing anything spectacular, it was just because he played with spectacular players. He played with people like Cristiano Ronaldo, Rooney, Ryan Giggs, all those people. People say that they ban and then they score, he goes with many things that they help them win the league. How many things he do? Yes. But they're not induct him based on things saying win for the EPL. So well, mostly give up that one. Now, did you know that the Arsenal squad were taught how to perform CPR in a workshop earlier this season? So, head of sports medicine and performance, Zafar Tibal, learning CPR takes just a few minutes and could help save someone's life. So, the concept then teach the Arsenal players because in case of necessity, you don't know what will happen in the field of play before the medics to come. At least make the player feel run one or two, just as they save. I think it was Ericsson, their captain Aja, I think was the one that did the CPR on him. We put hand for the mouth, all those kind of things. They learn am. So this thing they save life. You never know the day where you go need to perform for somebody which is save that person life. So that one save day. Now, many Arsenal fans come dey worry say e be like say Bukayo Saka don't get injury. Now I can't read the reports put out by Football London. They come dey talk say if you check the Arsenal website, all the training pictures wey dem put out, Bukayo Saka no dey there. All the training pictures, Saka no dey there. So say when me I dey check the training pictures, in fact I get tunnel vision. I was looking for Gabriel Magalhaes. So I no pay attention to any other person. You get. As I no see Gabriel Magalhaes, I reported that yes, so they no show am. And true, I thought I say in no train. So I won't confirm am. You get. So now when I come get a recheck, you get, I can't say Saka self no dey. So as Saka no dey, the question becomes why? Because Arsenal no drop any updates. So I thought I no talk anything. So maybe now something will happen like in the interim, short, like never too long, will happen. So we never really know that tomorrow when lineup will come out, or before the lineup will go here, whether Saka they are available. There's maybe somebody, one of the media personalities will tell us, or maybe the lineup will come, let us know about beg or big Saka. I beg big Saka. Very, very important because big Saka they are giant killers. So I don't want to say Starboy one thing do am get. So now my own prayer be that making sure they available. All right, away from that, let's bring a message from one of our sponsors, Mr. Jonas, who has this Acura ZDX 2010 model. Mileage is 118,213 kilometers, 100% accident free, extremely clean, slightly used locally, and the car dey Owerri, Imo State. So the color is gray and the price is 12 million naira. So contact Mr. Jonas on 003938460 for the number is at the bottom of the screen. So please do call him if you're interested in this piece of this vehicle, and he gets other pictures we also send to us about the car. So here is everything about the car. So get in touch with him. All right, now away from that, I can't hear this information say Arsenal have won like 5 of their last 6 Premier League matches against Crystal Palace, while going unbeaten since August 2022. For you to know, say Crystal Palace normally for the Emirates Stadium, our wife them normally, and the trend will continue. You say go continue, say yeah. So very, very important. So if they like, maybe you know that in the make mouth, make Oliver Glasner they make mouth, make their defender Lacroix, Lacroix, what they call that? They don't answer the make mouth. Baba, cho. When match starts, they could not bring una A game come because we know they play. We not bring una A game come. Get. And I like some of the statements where abilities they said don't they make. We'll still go through that one. I like things we they talk about this particular game. Now, we can here say Max Doman and Marin Salmon have both not been included in the Arsenal Under 21 side to face Chelsea, probably because Arteta won't include them for this particular game. That's why they're not involved. So that one said Now, Gabriel Jesus, they come ask him on facing Crystal Palace on Sunday tomorrow. He say it will be a special day and game. It's another game of football that I intend on winning. But the love that I have for Palace, the people, the fans will forever be here. Yes. So I like the fact that yes, instead no say this match, forget your loyalty, say you love them. If they give you chance when you score about Boston, if they look Brentford match versus Liverpool, Kelleher know they do say okay, I be former Liverpool. Not just Kelleher, even Henderson. Henderson himself they play for former Henderson they play for Liverpool. We go when Saudi Arabia, Congo, Netherlands, don't come back to EPL now. So instead they play before the match, I saw here Kelleher going to meet the Liverpool players. How far now, boy? Until they stop now, you get even Henderson said go how far. Kelleher they catch everything, they make saves. You get but they try and best. Don't show say no send anybody. Say I be former Liverpool, I know be former Liverpool. So that same mentality. Now I want to make a very cheesy display. You get so may understand say we won't come win. You get when we enter the field of play, we resume hostilities. When match don't end, we become friends again. So now the normal way is supposed to be. So I'm all for that. Now let's bring another message from Mr. Uche, who is one of our sponsors, and he has this 2007 Toyota RAV4 American spec. This is a Tokumbo car, 6-cylinder engine, 5-seat capacity. The mileage is 110,225 kilometers. The location is Lagos. This car is very affordable, 10 million naira. So if you're interested, contact Mr. Uche on WhatsApp +234 70 388 69667. The number is at the bottom of the screen in case you are interested. Here are other pictures of the car. So in case you're interested, please do reach out to him. Now, away from that, how Gabriel Jesus can turn Victor Gyökeres into an Arsenal goal machine. CBR put out this particular report. I only wonder how this one won't work. So they say with Arsenal fighting on 4 fronts, a hungry and fit Gabriel Jesus could take some of the workload off Gyökeres to help reduce the new man's time on the pitch in games that are already won. He gets. So when I see this report, say okay, maybe when they play a game, we don't win 2-0, 70 minutes, they will come out Gyökeres, come put Gabriel Jesus. First question will enter my mind, we say, what about Kai Havertz? What did he do Kai Havertz? In the pecking order of strikers, it is Gyökeres, Kai Havertz, and Jesus. Now, Gyökeres, in fact, anyway, make I read on. Now, Jesus going to talk, say, I don't see myself outside the club's plans. I have a contract until 2027, and it's not renewed by, if it's not renewed by then I'll be at the club at least until 2027. With the World Cup less than 12 months away, Jesus will hope that a return to Arsenal first team won't bring you back to the Arsenal first team. Personally, if you see I've been brother, the best thing you should do for yourself is go out on loan. Because Jesus talk many things for the media, whether not today and talking about yesterday, I don't know. But it's in the trends today. Yes. In get plan to go World Cup. He said don't go the last 2. In get plan. You cannot stay at Arsenal and go that World Cup because you know will be regular. That's number 1. You get. You are not the second name in the pecking order of strikers. Havertz. And in the situation where Havertz on the fit, you fit, you can stay fit, you go struggle for game time. That's just the way me I personally see it. You might see it differently. So the best thing for that's normally go on loan. The coach of which Brazilian team that's when they talk say yes, the resources are going to bring you back. Go there on loan. Go and play regularly. Than to stay and be getting cameo appearances. There is no way they will put you ahead of Gyökeres in the first place. It's possible. You get not let anybody bubble you. So if you know what you do, find your square root. All those efforts where they say they find you, January will soon come. Find your square root. Now, Gabriel Jesus said this injury we just get now the biggest injury we don't get for a lifetime, and it came when I was living my best moment outside the pitch. I was preparing well, feeling chilled, eating well, sleeping well, recovering well, and then it happened. We couldn't expect it. Now, end there. You got to talk about the connection with the team while in the injury. They say it's hard. Like I said, it's so long. So you have different periods at the start. Like the first 2-3 months, I wasn't really close to the team then, but obviously I was watching the games. I wasn't going to matches at the beginning, but I would watch them at home. Then after a couple of months, I came back to the training ground and was more around. My schedule is different from the other players. We'll go back talk plenty. And again, when you talk about the World Cup, I think I have the slide. Okay. So you say, I have been there for 2 World Cups. I would love to be there for the 3rd, but it's not easy. We have great players, an amazing squad, and it's only a short period. There is not a lot of time there, but I trust in myself. I will do my best. Baba, yourself, you don't talk and say, say the squad mad. Yes, time no day. As time no day, why won't you waste your time here? Find your square root, like If I feel advisor, now what me I go fit tell him get. Gabriel Jesus has revealed that despite mutual Palmeiras interest, he will stay at Arsenal until that one na your own cup of rice. Now you sabi if you want stay, that one na you sabi. Now, McManaman, when you talk about Alexander Isak, say if Isak no score 20 goals this season, Ajay na flopping be that because he's supposed to deliver this season. So me, I like him. Apply the pressure. Give it there. Come on. Hey, apply the pressure. Now, so then say they apply him to our own player. So even though score 20, put on the benchmark at 20, even though he scored 20, me flop, you get waste of money. You get. So now the way they talk about all those carga, that's so they think they blast our own Bukiris. So my dear Salva sends me another message from another of our sponsor, Mobile Associates and Co Limited. They enter construction services, dredging, canalization, real estate, and shore protection works. They are also into mechanical and fabrication services and procurement services nationwide. So if you want to reach out to them, we call them on +234 80 and they're located at number 7 Eken Road or Razi, opposite St. Stephen's Anglican Church, Port Harcourt. So if you're interested, to give them a call. So the biggest news of the night, that in fact, Dean Henderson, they talk say they will try to cause an upset at the Emirates Stadium when they come play us tomorrow. Let's wait and see. So with that being said, I think it's a fine place for us to call and it's like come your way tomorrow morning to give you the money you sold. Thanks for tuning in. Enjoy the rest of your night. Have a good night. And then get out. All right, guys. Ciao.